Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mohammed Aljaber, and we are still working on chapter 4 exercises from our investment course. In this video, we're gonna take a closer look at question number 13, which says the composition of the Fin Group fund portfolio is as follows. And then they're providing us with this table that shows us the details of the 4 stocks that are in the fund, the number of shares outstanding for each of the stocks, and the stock price. Okay. Then the question continues to say the fund has not borrowed any funds, but its accrued management fee with the portfolio manager currently totals $30,000. There are 4 million shares outstanding. What is the net asset value of the fund? Okay. So here, pretty much all the details given in the question are important. If we go back to the net asset value formula, we will see that net asset value, or NAV as it's usually called for short, equals the market value of the assets within the fund market value of assets minus the market value of liabilities. And we express that on a per share basis, so we divide all that by the number of shares outstanding. Okay, so we do have the number of shares outstanding right here. We also do have the information here at the top that says that the fund has not borrowed any funds, but the accrued management fee with the portfolio manager currently totals $30,000. So that will take the liability side. So all that is left for us to find out is the market value of the assets, which we can figure out from the information provided here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna calculate the market value for each of the 4 stocks, and then we will add it together. So we can say stock, you don't have to do it this way, by the way. You can just calculate, or even go back here to the question and add one extra column that says market value, for example, per share. It's up to you. Okay, but we'll write it down here. Stock A, B, C, and D. And here, market value, or you could say value of the holding, for example. And then we will calculate that. So here for stock A, for example, we know that the fund owns 200,000 shares, and each stock is worth $35. So that's 200,000 multiplied by 35. That will give us $7 million. For B, 300 shares outstanding multiplied by 40, which is the stock price. That will give us 12 million. And then C, 400,000 shares multiplied by 20. That's $8 million. And then finally D, 600,000 shares multiplied by 25, and that will give us 15 million. Okay, now we can figure out the total. 7 plus 12 plus 8 plus 15, that's 42, and I'll just add the zeros. Okay, so that's $42 million. All right. All we need to do now is substitute in our formula. So we will take the market value of assets, which we just calculated, and place it here. And we'll take it as $30,000 accrued management fees. We'll put it in here. And then we have the 4 million shares outstanding. It will take the denominator. Okay? So I'll just say NAV equals 42 million minus $30,000 all divided by 4 million. Go back to our calculator and crunch the numbers. 42 million minus 30,000, that will give us 41,970,000 divided by 4 million. That's $10.49. That's then $10.49. Okay, and that is what's required in the question. That would be the net asset value for this fund on a per share basis. Hope you found this video useful to answer question number 13 of chapter 4 from investment course. And I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Take care.